Today we are going to discuss secretions of anterior pituitary gland. It produces the hormones which it secretes, unlike the posterior pituitary gland. We have already seen that in cases of posterior pituitary, they just have a role in storage of those hormones which are already prepared by hypothalamus. It triggers signals to release these hormones or not, that is sent by the hypothalamus or higher center of the brain. There are 6 main hormones. From that, 2 of them, that is growth hormone and prolactin, they act directly on body tissues or the processes which are already running. We can say that they may have a direct role in regulatory processes of metabolic activities. The other hormones, that is, they are stimulating hormones which control the production of hormones in other glands, that is thyroid gland, adrenal gland and the gonads. See here, in the anterior pituitary gland, there are basically 3 types of cells are present. 1. Acidophilic cell, 2nd. Basophilic cell, and 3rd. Chromophobe cells. As name suggests that acidophilic cells, these cells are stained with the acidic dyes and it secretes growth hormone or somatotropin and prolactin. In cases of basophilic cells, these cells are stained with the basic dyes. Their examples are thyroid stimulating hormone, follicle stimulating hormone, luteinizing hormone and the prolactin. Whereas in the cases of chromophobe cells, these cells do not take any sting. And their examples are adrenocorticotropic hormone or adrenal cortex stimulating hormone. So first, that is growth hormone. They are released from acidophil cells, that is, so that it can be stained with the acidic dye. Proteinous in nature, basically they are proteins. It controls the growth of the body during childhood until adolescence. Too little of the growth hormone is during childhood lead to the dwarfism. See, dwarfism is a disorder where we can see that the height of the person may have up to maximum 3 feet, not more than that. In those cases, we can see that the less amount of growth hormone were secreted during their childhood. If it increases too much, it may cause gigantism, where we can see that the person's height may be more than 6 foot, 6.5 or 7 or 7.5. So that we can see that increased hormone of or increased level of growth hormone. It may directly affect on the length of the cartilages, length of the skeleton, length of the skeletal muscles and overall body parts, so that even the length of the upper arm and the lower arm will be increased. Later on in life, that is adulthood, when the length of bones is fixed, too much of growth hormone causes thickening of the limbs and jaws, giving the person a distorted appearance, and that distorted appearance can be called as a acromegaly. Right? It can become as a acromegaly. GHRI, that is growth hormone releasing factors. So it is those releasing factors which may have a role in regulation of release of growth hormone, that is released from hypothalamus. Next is the protein, fat, carbohydrate and iron minerals, that is the functions or the physiology. See, in case of protein metabolism, we can see that growth hormone increases the nucleic acid and protein synthesis. It decreases the nitrogen excretion in the urine and it increases the retention of nitrogen, or in other words, we can say that growth hormone may lead to the anabolic conditions where energy will be restored or stored. These effects of growth hormone are brought about through insulin. So there will be a role of insulin in protein metabolism. Next, fat metabolism. Growth hormone causes mobilization of peripheral depots of fat to the liver. The free fatty acid level in plasma rises and the oxidation of fat is increased by growth hormone. In cases of carbohydrate metabolism, it increases blood sugar level. It may lead to the diabetes mellitus, right? Next is iron and mineral metabolism. Growth hormone increases the intestinal absorption of calcium as well as its excretion. Even it also causes retention of sodium, potassium, magnesium, phosphate and the chloride. So this could have these four metabolic effects, that is protein metabolism, fat metabolism, carbohydrate metabolism and iron and mineral metabolism. So that is all about growth hormone. Next, moving to the prolactin. They are released from the acidophilic sacs, basically peptides in nature, and it will have a major effect on the enlarging the breast. That is, enlargement of breast can be seen during postpartum of pregnancy. It may lead to the glandular enlargement. That glandular enlargements are might be because of increasing size with mammary glands which are present in breast. So that milk production occurs during pregnancy. And for that, prolactin releasing factors will be released from hypothalamus. Next, that is thyroid stimulating hormone, or we can call it as a thyrotropic hormone. It is chemically a glycoprotein, and its name suggests it controls the activity of thyroid. So it promotes the secretion of the thyroid gland, and for that, thyroid stimulating hormone releasing factors are released from the hypothalamus. Next is adrenocorticotropic hormone, that is ACTH. Basically, they are released from chromophore cells, so it won't have any sting. Basically, polypeptides in nature. It promotes the secretion of corticosterone by the adrenals. As the name suggests, it controls the secretions of adrenal cortex. The actions of ACTH is generally mediated through cyclic AMP. The secretion of ACTH is controlled by ACTH releasing factor that now we have discussed, and the conditions of stress also controls ACTH release. Next one, gonadotropins, which includes two. First is follicle stimulating hormone, and next one that is luteinizing hormone. In cases of gonadotropins, they are basically basophils, or they are released from the basophil cells. Both of them stimulate the gonads, that is previous one that is ovaries, and next one later one that is testes. That is to produce ova or eggs or sperms. Ova is a part of female reproductive system, whereas in cases of sperms, that is a part of male reproductive system that we will discuss during reproductive cycle or reproductive system. The production and release of these four hormones, specifically prolactin, thyrotropic hormone, ACTH, that is adrenocorticotropic hormone, and gonadotropin hormone, may follow negative feedback mechanism. See, previously we were discussing about positive feedback system. What is a positive feedback system? See, whenever there will be a drop, or we can say that the reduced amount of hormone is felt by blood, in that case is releasing hormone for specific hormone will be released from hypothalamus and the optimum concentration will be achieved. Here in these cases of negative feedback system, there will be increased or higher amount of specific hormone will be felt by blood, and blood sends impulses to the hypothalamus to regulate or reduce the secretion of specific hormone. And so it is termed as a negative feedback system. The presence in the blood of the hormone produced by the target gland, that is thyroid, adrenals, gonads, will control the release of the stimulating hormone from the pituitary. This feedback also works on the hypothalamus and in this way also, that is indirectly, on the pituitary by altering the secretions of hypothalamic releasing hormones. Now, what we have, that is a kind of summary, or we can say that certain functions that we need to discuss. Here we have included whole pituitary gland, that is anterior as well as posterior. So first one, that is adrenocortical hormone. Target side is adrenal cortex. Their functions are to stimulate the secretion of cortisol and aldosterone by the adrenal cortex. In cases of antidiuretic hormone, that is ADH, their target will be kidney tubules, and they stimulate the reabsorption of water by kidneys, reducing the concentration of solids in the blood. Follicle stimulating hormone, OR is in cases of female, in cases of male, it works on the testes. It stimulates egg production in females, it stimulates the sperm production in males. That is one. First one, that is oogenesis, next one will be spermatogenesis. Next is growth hormone, that is muscle and the bone. It regulates the development of muscles and bones. Next, that is luteinizing hormone, that is for ovaries in females and testes in male, already we discussed. Next is oxytocin, that is mammary glands and the uterine muscles. Initiates the uterine contractions during childbirth and it stimulates the flow of milk from breast during lactation. Next is prolactin, that is mammary glands. It stimulates the milk production in breast during lactation. Last, that is thyroid stimulating hormone, that is thyroid gland. It acts on the or it may have a major role in regulation of secretion of thyroid hormones, that is thyroxine and triiodothyronine. So this is what we wanted to discuss today, right? That what we were discussing, that is secretions from the anterior pituitary gland. Thank you very much.